Life is full of uncontrollable mishaps. Sometimes trees fall on our houses. Sometimes the car in front of us slams on the brake and we just can't stop in time. When those unexpected mishaps happen, we can't always afford to fix them. That is where insurance comes in. In this video, we are going to explore property insurance, specifically auto, home, and renter's insurance. When purchasing insurance, you take out a policy. These policies tell you what is protected and what it's protected from. For example, your roof could be protected from hail damage. If your roof gets damaged by hail, then the insurance company will send somebody out to evaluate and fix it. Policies that cover more are typically more expensive. If you live in a part of the country where tornadoes are exceedingly uncommon, you probably don't need tornado protection. But if your house is hit by a tornado, you are out of luck. It is up to you to decide what needs protection and what it needs protection from. Deductibles are another part of insurance plans. Deductibles are an amount paid before the insurance kicks in. So if you have a $500 deductible, but there is $2,000 worth of damage, you pay $500 out of your own pocket and the insurance company pays $1,500. That is an example of standard deductibles, but there is also percentage deductibles. That kind of deductible is a percentage of the overall value of what you are protecting. If you have a house worth $200,000 and your deductible is 1%, you would have a deductible of $2,000. Typically, the lower the deductible, the more your insurance will cost. And inversely, the higher your deductible, the cheaper your insurance is. When it comes to homeowners insurance, the entire house is protected, from the roof all the way to the basement. When taking out a mortgage on a house, the banks require you to have homeowners insurance to protect their investment. But not just the house is protected, everything inside it is as well. So if your house were to burn down, you would get reimbursed not only for the value of the house, but everything inside it as well, such as TVs, beds, couches, and appliances. Renter's insurance is similar to homeowner's insurance, but instead of insuring the house or apartment or space you are renting, it insures the stuff inside. The person who owns the property is responsible for maintaining and insuring it. So if hail damages the roof, the property owner has to file a claim. If you are sharing the rented space with somebody else, you can usually share renter's insurance as well. Auto insurance is quite a bit different than homeowner's insurance, and there are three main parts to it. First, there is property, which covers the damage to the car or even theft. Second is liability, which covers any damage you do to another person or their property if you are found to be at fault. And finally, there is medical, which covers treating injuries, lost wages, or even funeral expenses for you or the passengers. You can legally drive without the property part of the insurance, but it is almost always smarter to have it. However, if your vehicle is old and almost worthless, it can be smart to not have it. Liability insurance, however, is mandatory in nearly every state, and you can actually lose your license for driving without it. Auto insurance covers not only you, but your family as well, and that includes anyone you let borrow your vehicle as well. The people you have on your policy can affect the price of the policy, however. Age and gender can affect the price of your insurance. Teenage boys are the most expensive to insure, because statistically, they are more likely to drive recklessly and cause accidents. Driving history can also affect prices. Someone who has points on their driving record is usually more expensive to insure. The type of vehicle also affects prices. The more expensive a vehicle, the more expensive the insurance is. A Lamborghini, for example, is going to be more expensive to insure than a Toyota Camry. Cars aren't the only vehicle you can get insured. Boats, motorcycles, RVs, and even planes can be insured. As with all types of insurance, it is always best to shop around to see who has the coverage that you need at the best possible price. Thank you for watching our video on insurance. I hope you have a great day.